Like, does this really count as a salad when it's like full of bacon and parmesan and mayo? Not really. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a what I ate today video. I haven't done one of these in the longest time, literally probably a few months I believe, but today I really wanted to film one for you guys just in time for Christmas. I know that this time of the year can be very daunting and a lot of people are stressing about their food choices and what they're eating and things like that, so hopefully this can help inspire you. I eat a very balanced diet. I love eating healthy, but I also love chocolate and burgers and things like that. So this is very realistic what I ate today video. But yeah, this morning I had clients, so I just took a banana and a coffee with me. Now I'm home. I'm gonna make some peanut butter on toast because honestly, that's all I'm really craving. I know that's pretty basic, but I just love me some PB on toast. And it's so funny because a few years ago, I used to be so scared of eating bread, of eating butter. Like, they were my foods that I kind of stayed away from because I believed they were unhealthy for me. So now I love peanut butter on toast and I have it all the time. So I'm just using this wholemeal bread. I'm just going to use butter, and I've got a giant tub of peanut butter. I will say, if you are someone who loves peanut butter, make sure to get the ones that are just like 100% peanuts, because some of them have added salts and added sugars and it's just not really necessary. So try and get the 100% peanuts. But anyway, I'm going to toast this up, I'm going to enjoy it, and I will let you guys know what I have for lunch. Probably not the best angle ever, but I'm just making my lunch at the moment, and I'm actually making a chicken Caesar salad. I saw someone... Oreo. Papa. Every time. I saw someone post their Caesar salad on Instagram before and I instantly craved it. So I went to the shops, got a few recipes to make it, and yeah, so I've got a big old bowl of cos lettuce here. I've cooked up some grilled chicken breasts, some bacon, and I'm just gonna sprinkle like Parmesan cheese over the top. And I forgot Caesar dressing, which is really silly of me honestly, but I accidentally forgot it. So I've got some 99% fat-free mayo instead, and I'm kind of hoping that that somewhat makes it taste good. Fingers crossed. I'm not usually a big salad person, but I feel like this, like, does this really count as a salad when it's like full of bacon and parmesan and mayo? Not really, but that's okay. I marinated a whole heap of chicken because that's pretty much the only way it would fill me. Otherwise I would be hungry like half an hour later. So I marinated a whole heap of chicken breast, so hopefully it keeps me full. But yeah, let's make this bad boy. I need to stop talking with the tongs. Hey, what are you doing? That is the cat that is always meowing in every single video. But I am home from training clients now. It is 7 p.m. on the dot and we are just about to make some dinner. So we're having something a little bit different tonight for dinner, not something we generally have. So we're having chicken snitties, and we're also having chips and veg with gravy, because I feel like you can't have chicken schnitzel without gravy. Am I right? I'm right. But we're gonna put them in the air fryer to make them all crispy. It's so funny, like kind of what I said at the start of this vlog. I used to have so many food rules around what I ate, and I never used to eat like frozen chips or chicken schnitzel. It'd always be plain chicken breast and sweet potato chips. So I'm just living my best life right now. I also should mention I am tracking calories at the moment, but I'm in a maintenance phase. So this all fits in my calories and my macros for the day, which is amazing. And I also have dessert planned as well, which I've slightly been obsessed with lately too. So I will show you guys what I'm having for dessert as well. But yeah, we're just gonna chuck one of these bad boys in the air fryer with the chips. We'll cook up some veggies. I don't even know what we've got, but here's the other little rascal. Hello, Baba. Both of them. By the way, these are the chips that we're using. These are the best ones that we've found. So I think for a serving size is 100 grams and it is like 150 calories. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer, and then I'm also gonna put the schnitzels in the oven because it's actually not all gonna fit in the one air fryer. And for veg, I think we're gonna have like broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. Let's cook this up.
Quite a discussion in regards to the new innovations in BBL10. The X Factor coming through in last night's game, where teams can name a 12 from 13 player as substitutes, and halfway through the first innings, both teams can choose to sub in one of their X Factor players.
Don't mind the mess in the background. We still haven't packed up from dinner, but it is now time for dessert, and this has been my latest obsession lately. It is Kenny's ice cream. You can find this at Aldi, and I believe this flavor is a new one because they used to always have like a salted caramel and I forget the other flavor, maybe like vanilla, but they now have cookies and cream, and for the whole tub it's 310 calories, which is amazing. So I'm gonna have a tiny bit of that. I've also got some fresh raspberries, and the star of the show is a Fiber One brownie bar. These are the best. You guys have probably seen me talk about them on my channel before, but I love pretty much every single flavor that Fiber One has come out with. I would say brownie is probably my favorite when it comes to like desserts. I warm this up in the microwave for 20 seconds and then top it with the ice cream and the raspberries, and it is perfection. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna warm it up in the Mickey Wave and then put some ice cream on top. So this is the finished product, and that is the last thing I'm gonna eat tonight because it is already 8:30 p.m. so I'm literally just gonna have a shower and go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this what I ate today video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. If you wanted more content similar to this, then make sure to check out my Instagram because I post my recipes and what I'm eating all the time on there, so I'll also have that linked somewhere down here. But yeah, please don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!